Hello everyone, Kingdom Silver here, and today I am ecstatic because in this package, ladies and gentlemen, is a gold coin that has been on my stacking bucket list for quite a while now, and I was able to secure it, and not only that, get it at spot. So today I'm going to show it off, what it exactly is, and how you can get coins like this at spot as well. Without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Without further ado, let's get this thing open and see what's inside. All right, that took a while. I definitely struggled with the packaging, but I was able to finally get through it. And you can tell from the sticker what this is. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is old US gold. This is the Liberty $5 extra fine condition, and it is a half eagle. This is the first time that I have ever seen one of these. This is the first time I've ever had one in my stack, and we're going to take a look at it together for the first time. And let me zoom in here so that you can see this. Wow. I love this. I love this design. I have some older US pennies and things from the early 1800s that remind me of this design. Yeah, this is incredible. I'm so thankful. There was a stacker that had recommended that I get one of these a while back, and ever since then it's been on my stacking bucket list, and just really ecstatic to have one of these. And honestly, these are incredibly hard to get at spot. In fact, I think during my whole stacking journey, this is the first time I've ever seen one of these offered at spot. And you may be asking, well, yeah, you mentioned that earlier in the video. How were you able to get this at spot? Well, I was able to purchase this from SD Bullion. And in fact, at the time, you could get up to 5 of these at spot. And not only the half eagles, but the eagles as well. And there was a quantity of up to 5 that you could get as well. And the way that I was able to pick it up was by signing up for their VIP text messages and their deals. They're not the only ones that do this. It's also Monument Metals. I believe Bullion Exchanges has their own version of it as well, APMEX, and it's a way for them to get the deals out faster. So I believe they'll send them through email as well, but text messages is really the advantage that I see primarily coming through this, because you can get that alert to your phone and pick up those deals lightning quick. There's nothing worse than seeing a really good sale that they have during the weekend and you just miss it. This, I believe, is a way for them to really help those stackers that are really interested in stacking and stacking quickly to be able to pick up some more metal. And I've had really good success with this. Not only this coin here today that you're seeing, but I was able to pick up quite a few Silver Eagles about a month ago from Monument Metals. They were closing out the 2024 American Silver Eagles, and I picked them up at $2.99 over spot. Ladies and gentlemen, that is just ridiculous. So if I had one recommendation that I could give for silver and gold stackers in 2025 that will really impact your journey, sign up for these VIP text messages. So that's going to do it for the video today, ladies and gentlemen. To hear what you think about this old US gold. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you like the more modern? And on top of that, if you have signed up for some of these deals, what have you been able to pick up? To hear a story of one of your bucket list items that you were to pick up, I think that would be fantastic. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, be blessed. Blessing to others. We'll see you later.